Hey folks, we got another unboxing for you today. Today we're going to be looking at the new Amazon Echo Pop. If you're looking for an affordable way to have Alexa in your home, this is the speaker for you. So let's go ahead and begin this unboxing and first look. All right, let's open it up. Wow, hilarious. It looks like half an Echo Dot. Like it was like a samurai came and sliced it right in half. That's kind of what it looks like. So there's the base there. There's no real padding or anything like that. There is the plug and the buttons. Interesting. So the buttons aren't right on the top. They're a little bit on to the sides. I don't know if you can see that right there. There you go. So let me see what else is in here. Okay, so it's got a hello pamphlet. Is this the instructions? I'm imagining it is. Yeah, there you go. Meet your Echo Pop. Tells you everything. Tells you about how to set it up. Tells you all the different colors and what those mean. Very cool. And I guess this is just compliance information because it's an electronic device. So there you go. Very simple. Again, it looks like half the dot. What I'm going to do is put this through the paces, see what it sounds like, see how the mic works as well to pick up for Alexa voice control. So you'll have to watch that review. Pretty simple unboxing and first look. It's not much here. It's just a small little speaker. But yeah, I'm going to hook this up into my smart home and we'll see how it works. I'm Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out with the Amazon Echo Dot.